Looking to keep your two-car garage warm and cozy this winter? In today's video, we'll uncover the best heater for a two-car garage, perfect for tackling chilly temperatures while you work or relax in your space. Stay tuned as we explore top options that deliver comfort, efficiency, and value. Let's dive in and find the perfect heater for your garage. Number 1. TEMPWARE Electric Garage Heater. The TEMPWARE Electric Garage Heater is a powerhouse designed for those who demand reliable and effective heating in large spaces. It boasts a heating capacity of up to 25,590 BTUs, making it capable of warming areas up to 1,250 square feet effortlessly. Whether you're working in a two-car garage or a spacious workshop, this heater ensures consistent warmth. Adjustable louvers and a variable mounting angle let you direct heat exactly where it's needed, maximizing comfort and efficiency. This garage heater features two heat settings, offering power outputs between 6,250 and 7,500 watts. This flexibility accommodates different comfort levels, ensuring you can adjust the warmth to suit your needs. The Smart Eco mode, powered by a precise temperature sensor, automatically adjusts operation based on ambient conditions, reducing energy consumption. Additionally, the timer function allows you to set auto shut-off for up to 12 hours, making it both energy efficient and convenient. Number 2. Shinic Store Electric Garage Heaters. The Shinic Store Electric Garage Heater stands out as a versatile and efficient solution for various heating needs. This heater features dual quartz radiant heating elements, which quickly and evenly warm up people and objects in its range. Ideal for workshops, garages, and patios, it provides rapid warmth during cold winters. Its ceiling-mounted design saves valuable floor space while offering targeted heating with a 90 degrees adjustable angle for optimal heat distribution. One of its key features is the 5-mode setting, which caters to different requirements. Users can choose between low and high heat settings, ranging from 750 to 1,500 watts. Additionally, there are modes that combine heat and light, thanks to the integrated halogen work light. This light enhances visibility, making it especially helpful for late-night tasks or precision work on a bench. Safety is a top priority with this heater. It includes automatic overheat protection, which shuts off the unit if it reaches unsafe temperatures, and a grounded plug for secure operation. The sturdy metal grille prevents accidental contact with the heating elements, ensuring safe usage. Its ETL-listed certification further assures quality and safety compliance. Durability is another highlight of this heater. The dual quartz elements are long-lasting and designed to withstand the rigors of regular use in demanding environments. Its thoughtful combination of heating and lighting features, along with robust safety measures, makes it a reliable choice for those needing effective heating in multi-purpose spaces. Number 3. Comfort Zone Electric Space Heater. The Comfort Zone Electric Space Heater is a practical and efficient choice for warming garages, storage areas, and workshops. With its ceiling-mounted design, this heater optimizes floor space, making it perfect for areas where every inch matters. Its fan-forced heating system ensures even heat distribution, providing a consistent and comfortable environment. Durability is a key feature of this model, with its heavy-gauge steel construction designed to withstand temperature fluctuations in poorly insulated spaces. This robust build ensures long-lasting performance, even in demanding conditions. The adjustable louvers and mounting angle allow users to direct warm air precisely where it's needed, making it versatile for a variety of setups. The dual-knob thermostat is both intuitive and user-friendly, offering precise control over temperature settings. This ensures you can easily achieve and maintain your desired level of warmth. The hardwired installation adds to its reliability, providing a secure and stable power connection. Safety is not overlooked in this design. The heater includes built-in overheat protection, ensuring it automatically shuts off if temperatures exceed safe levels. This feature, coupled with its durable construction, makes it a dependable choice for spaces that require consistent heating. Number 4. Electric Garage Heater. The electric garage heater is a reliable and versatile heating solution for various spaces, from garages to patios. Its dual quartz radiant heating elements are designed for quick and thorough warmth, making it ideal for cold winter days. The heater's ceiling-mounted design is not only space-saving but also allows for a 90 degrees adjustable heating angle, ensuring targeted warmth where it's needed most. A standout feature is its 5 operating modes, offering flexibility to suit different needs. These include low and high heat settings ranging from 750 to 1,500 watts and a combination of heat with built-in halogen lighting. This integrated lighting feature is especially useful for enhancing visibility during late-night tasks, improving productivity in dimly lit areas. Safety is a priority, with features like automatic overheat protection, a grounded plug, and a sturdy metal grille to prevent accidental contact with heating elements. The ETL certification further underscores its quality and safety standards. Additionally, this heater includes a beeping alarm that activates when parts of the unit overheat, offering an extra layer of protection. Number 5. NewAir Portable Heater. The NewAir Portable Heater is a powerful and convenient heating solution designed to tackle cold spaces like garages, workshops, and sheds. With 5,600 watts of fan-forced heating power, it effectively warms up areas up to 600 square feet, making it ideal for 2-car garages or similar-sized spaces. This heater boasts a rugged steel construction with a black powder-coated finish, providing durability and resistance against scratches and scuffs. Its sturdy build ensures reliable performance in demanding environments, whether in residential or light industrial settings. The thermostat and auto fan temperature control allow users to set their desired warmth level. Once the space reaches this temperature, the fan automatically maintains it, offering both convenience and energy efficiency. Portability is another highlight of this heater. Equipped with a carry handle and cord wrap, it can be easily moved to different areas, ensuring targeted heating wherever needed. Safety features include OL certification, an automatic shut-off function to prevent overheating, and an exterior that stays cool to the touch, ensuring secure handling even after extended use. Whether you need to heat a workspace, garage, or shed, the NewAir Portable Heater provides a reliable and user-friendly solution. Its combination of powerful heating, portability, and safety features makes it a versatile choice for maintaining warmth and comfort during colder months. Built for durability and efficiency, this heater is a must-have for those seeking a dependable and flexible heating option. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon